Okay, now that's a problem. Only the second time using this since I installed the new fans, and this was on for just a few minutes. My son was riding it, and he didn't see it explode, but you heard a bunch of clacking, clinking, and it was lodged underneath this fan. And it looks like the blades, 1, 2, 3 blades came off. Only found 2 of them. So that could have been dangerous. That could have flung up in someone's eyes. But not happy with it. $120 for that fan, and it worked just for a few minutes. And unfortunately, the return window closed like 2 days ago on Amazon, so I can't return it. Looks like I'll be getting another one of these. This is actually the fan guard that goes over top. I'm going to put that on soon. I had never thought about the safety aspect of it. If that fan had blown up with this on here, it wouldn't have gone through that. So it's a good reason. I've always thought it was just to keep mud and stuff off, but it's probably also for safety in case a situation like that happens.